Hi, boys and girls. It's Teacher Chloe. Today, we are going to do our ABCs, okay? So let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, boys and girls, now we're going to do our letters individually with the sounds, okay? A is for apple, A, A, A. B is for boy, B, B, boy. C is for cat, C, C, cat. D is for dog, D, D, dog. E is for elephant, E, E, elephant. F is for fish, F, F, fish. G is for goose, G, G, goose. H is for horse, H, H, horse. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for jump, J, J, jump. K is for kangaroo, K, K, kangaroo. L is for lion, L, L, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nuts, nuts. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rooster, rooster. S is for star, star. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for violin, violin. W is for wagon, wagon. X is for x-ray, x-ray. Y is for you, you. Z is for zebra, zebra. Good job, boys and girls. That was your alphabet, and you're identifying the sounds of each letter. Now, let's begin. I have a question for you. Is this A capital or a lowercase a? It is a capital, and this is a lowercase a. The capital is the mommy A, and this is the lowercase, so it's the baby a. So think about it this way. Use your thinking caps. Okay, put your thinking caps on. If a letter is like this, and there's a smaller one next to it, then that means this one is the mommy. So a mommy means capital letter. And this one would be the baby, so that means lowercase letter. So let's think. I'm going to choose a random letter. Let's go. Okay, which one is the mommy and which one is the baby? This one is the mommy, right? So what would it be? Capital. Which one's the baby? So what would it be? Lowercase. Good job. So if you need help, think about it as mommy and baby. So if you look at your letters, there's all kinds of mommy letters and all kinds of baby letters. So this would be a mommy letter, which would be a capital. And this would be a baby letter, which would be what? Lowercase. So capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase. And if you have to think about it this way, mommy, baby, mommy, baby, mommy, baby. But it's the same thing as capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase, capital, lowercase. Okay? All right, boys and girls, so that was doing our letters, singing our letters, identifying capital, lowercase, and the sounds. Okay, you guys have a great day.